First, we need to make sure that we are choosing the right keywords for the campaign. Remember, keywords are search terms which people who are in your target market are going to be searching on Google and other platforms owned by Google. So in this example, we want to go after keywords that are important to this particular business. So one of them is sales training. One of them is business development. I have just entered those two search terms without any grammatical additions. So what it is going to show up for this one is a broad-based keywords. So keywords that are closely related and loosely related to sales training and business development. If you only want people to see your ads for particular keywords, you want to add brackets to the sales training keyword and to the business development keyword. What this is then going to do now is it's going to reduce the search terms to exact match only. So for example, if someone types in sales training NZ, they will see the ad, or business development training, and they might see the ad. If you want it to be a little more loose and be a phrase match related keyword, so for example, sales training in Auckland or business development experts and consulting, then you want to add the speech marks on either side of the keyword. And what this is going to do is it's now going to loosen the search phrases a bit more. And